What's going on, everybody? In this video I'm gonna show you Soviet Atlas that was used by students of 6th grade, and it was printed in 1978. So let's see what the students were taught about the world, and it starts from the physical map, then some natural resources map, then Africa. A few changes here in Africa because there were a few colonies like this one. South Rhodesia belongs to the UK. Then Australia. Some French island here, it says New Caledonia. I've never heard of that, but I'm quite sure it must be an independent country now. Then South America, well, it literally remained the same. The same applies to the North America. Then Eurasia, this is population density map, and you can see that China, India, and Europe were the most densely populated. Well, I mean, just like now. Now, this where things get really spicy. And let's examine this map from the east. Now, this is Kuril Islands, disputed islands between USSR and Japan. And guess what? On this map, they belong to USSR. Sorry, Japan. This is Korea, one Korea, with the capital of Pyongyang. You can see that capital basically marked as all letters capitalized, all letters bold. So Seoul is just a major city. And it's pretty interesting that this red line indicates railways. I really doubt there were railways from south to the north. So this is a huge lie here. Well, I mean, they needed this propaganda, I guess. Mongolia is named as People's Republic of Mongolia, but I guess area is still the same as it is now. We go south, we see Taiwan belonging to China, and in brackets it says China, and the color is the same. Which is no surprise because China was an ally of USSR. By the way, just look how huge USSR is. That's crazy. Now we go to India, we have Kashmir here belonging to India because this is Islamabad and this is Kashmir. On this map it belongs to India. Now Middle East. This is pretty interesting because this is Yemen with the capital of Sana'a. Now you might ask me, so what the hell is this, number 18? Now if we look this up, it says Democratic People's Republic of Yemen. So it was a different country. That's quite interesting. I guess this one is a socialist state and this one is a capitalist state. I mean, that's my guess. Now, if we go here, you might ask, what the hell is this? And it says number 15 is Kuwait, and number 14 is neutral zone. I don't know what neutral zone is supposed to mean. I guess there were no settlements there, nothing, just some kind of neutral zone. Now, we go here, and let me just read what this says. Number 10, Lebanon. Number 11, territories of Arab state. Number 12, Israel. So yeah, I guess they just gained independence from the UK and were separated states. Right now, this whole area is just Israel. And then we go to the Europe. We have a close look of Europe here. The first thing that you might have noticed is that there are two Germanys, Western Germany and Eastern Germany. Western belongs to the West, Eastern belongs to the Eastern Bloc. And other than that, there's Yugoslavia. You know, there's no Kosovo here. There's just one country, Yugoslavia, quite huge as you can see. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. There's no real difference other than Germany and Yugoslavia in Europe. And yeah, that pretty much wraps it up. Political map was the most interesting one. Now it says that this book, this atlas was created in 1968, but it was corrected in 1977. So there were a few changes apparently, and the cost of this book, the price is 30 kopeek, which is 0.3 rubles. I guess it wasn't that expensive, but still ruble was way more expensive in USSR than it's right now.